me slayed by Jordan. All right, y'all. Today we're working with Arabella Hair. They sent this beautiful wig in this beautiful, beautiful box. Let's unpackage it now.
I've been watching you.
They sent us over this beautiful body wave, beginner friendly wig. Y'all, when I tell y'all, the quality of this wig is so high. I've worked with a lot of wig companies, and you can feel when a wig is high quality out the box. Look at how that body wave is bouncing back. It's so thick and luxurious. Y'all, the knots are pre-bleached. The hairline is pre-plucked. Your part is already in your wig when you take it fresh out the box. Your ear tabs are already cut in a V, so you can take this wig out the box, put it on, pull the drawstring in the back, and y'all, you are done fresh out the box. That's what the girlies need. A luxurious beginner friendly wig. Let's install it the Jordan way. Like I just said in the unboxing of the video, I want to repeat, this is a glueless wig, and you can take this wig fresh out the box and put it on your head with 3 easy steps, and you are out the door. Now today I'm going to show you how we do it the Jordan way. Y'all know I love to glue my wigs down, but like I said, this wig comes with everything fresh out the box, ready to go. The lace is cut, the ear tabs are cut in a V shape. You have your drawstring in the back, which I'm using to secure her wig today, even though I am using glue, because it's no need to sew the wig down. It comes with everything you need. It comes with the combs. We're pulling that drawstring to make sure it's tight and secure in the back, and she's not gonna need any thread. Once again, I want to show you the V-shaped ear tabs. As you can see, you do not have to cut the ear tabs. You can go ahead and install your wig as normal. I'm going to glue down her wig. I'm going to place the glue in the shape of her hairline and smooth it back as evenly as possible. Make sure that each layer turns clear before you apply the next. Her last layer has turned clear. Let's go ahead and lay that lace down. Now we're going to blow dry the wig on cool air only for about a minute, and then we're going to tie it down with our elastic band. Remember that you have one that came inside your packaging as well. After about 10 to 15 minutes, we're going to take the elastic band off, and we're going to proceed to cut off all the excess lace. And look at that beautiful hairline that came pre-plucked fresh out the box. And remember, baby hairs are always optional. You do not have to get them. So for our style today, we're going to do a middle part with baby hairs and big curls as she requested. So right now, I'm just taking my wax stick, and we're going to make sure that that middle part is directly in the middle, and we're going to hot comb everything down. Now I'm just separating out her baby hairs, and then once we do that, we're going to spray her hairline, her lace, with a high hold hairspray, and we're going to tie it down again with our elastic band just to go ahead and melt that lace in. After leaving her band tied down for about 10 minutes, as you can see, we are melted down. And now we're going to proceed to do our baby hairs. You know, we're going to cut them. We're going to curl them upwards using our pencil flat irons. And then we're going to swoop them using our foaming mousse. And then we're going to tie it down with some wrap strips. And although this wig came body wave, as you can see, it also straightens very well. And y'all, I didn't even flat iron this wig. I simply just blow dried it with the comb attachment. That just goes to show you how high of a quality this wig is, y'all. I'm telling y'all, if you could feel this wig for yourself, you would be like, oh my gosh, it's so thick and silky and luxurious feeling. You can really tell a difference. So now I'm just going to do some big curls. I'm using my 1.5 inch curling iron from T3. And we're just going to curl everything and pin it as we go. We are now done curling. As you can see, everything is pinned up all nice and neat. And we're going to let this sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. And now that our minutes are up, we're going to take off those wrap strips to reveal the baby hairs. And then we're going to start dropping down our pin curls. But first, I'm going to fix the baby hairs, you know, make them a little bit more soft and cuter and define her part off camera. And now we're dropping those curls and we're about to sculpt this hair to a beautiful masterpiece. Stay tuned. And now we are done sculpting, and now let's get into that final look. I want to thank Arabella Hair again for sending me this high quality, beginner friendly body wave wig. Make sure you check the description box below. This is a must buy purchase. I love y'all so much. Goodbye.